ASUS accidental damage protection that covers drops, spills, fires, and electrical surges. Visit completewarranty.asus.com/ADP for full details. For your convenience, the U.S.-based Notebook and E-Family Support Center is open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. To reach tech support for your notebook or e-product whenever you need it, just call 888-678-3688.
I'm on hold after.
If you're a reseller, you need the ASUS Advantage.
I'm on hold after explaining who I was, what went on, and this customer service rep doesn't know what to do, apparently.
Information, product information, access to marketing materials.
Okay, thank you for holding, Mr. Voight.
Yes.
Alright, and do apologize for the long wait there. Alright, I do understand your frustration with the situation where you send the notebook into us and then have to turn it on and then service the issue yourself. Alright, so I was doing some checks for you to see what we can do or offer, but unfortunately I'm seeing that in a situation, is there anything that I would be able to offer to you?
So I spent $529 on a battery, $19.70 shipping it in. And the problem I sent it in for wasn't even addressed, and so I just have to take that loss.
I'm sorry, Mr. White. There's nothing else I'm seeing I can do here.
Alright, well, there's plenty I can do on this end, I guess. I'll put this little video on YouTube and make sure everybody else knows.
I do apologize for the experience with us. I'm going to give you a new case number, though.
Well, what's the point?
I think you need to call us back with any further questions or complaints.
Well, I'll just make my complaints public from now on, because calling in isn't going to do, it doesn't do any good. So, thank you for your time.
Okay, I understand. I do apologize again, so thank you for calling ASUS and do enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, right. So what we have surmised is, if you send your notebook to ASUS because you've done your research and you know the battery's bad, all they do is reinstall the software and send it back to you. Now, I love ASUS products, but their customer service is pointless. It's just pointless. I sent it in during my warranty period, went round and round with them on the phone. They had me reinstall Windows from the partition. That didn't solve the problem. It all came down to I had to send it in. I got it back and the same problem persisted, even after I did the research on a technical level and explained to them what needed to be done. Something as simple as asking them to get my original box back, I didn't get back. You know, I told them, you know, please replace the battery and make sure it's a fresh one. And the battery was never even changed. And I can see why they don't want to do it. I had to take the whole thing apart. All the way, you know, the case apart, and it was not an easy job, so I can see why they didn't want to do it. But yeah, their warranty is worthless, and their customer service is I don't even know if it's located in the U.S. But no, I'm not a happy customer. So there you have it.